Hi! Hi everyone, my name is Glory. You can call me Goan, and this is my life. This is my vlog. So, I am currently based here in New York City as a registered nurse with my family. I just got married in November of last year, and so far, so good. And just wanna share to you guys what my life here in New York is, and sana ma-enjoy nyo. Hindi ko alam first time to nangangaba to, so parang enjoy na lang natin. And I don't know, bakit may itsura ko ngayon. This is me kasi walang pasok, so I'll just share you some of my what do you call this, mga pinagkakabalahan today. And sana ma-enjoy nyo ha. Diyan lang kayo, and heart. Bye! Hi everyone, good morning. Hi, so today is Monday, and it was snowing last night, and up to 3 to 5 inches lang naman, so not that too bad compared siguro sa upstate and other parts of Long Island. But here in Queens, it's fine. It's like not too extreme. Pero tuloy-tuloy siya until 10 p.m. last night. But everything went well. We were able to clean up the pathways this morning, and also naput na naman salt para ma-prevent yung pagdulas-dulas, kasi syempre titigas na naman siya because yung temperature will drop na naman. And I think the lowest this week will be like nasa 1 digit na. So bundle up everyone, and take it easy, be careful, extra careful when you walk as you travel to work or to school or wherever you want to go. So yeah, take it easy. So now today, as I said, it's Monday, and since walang work today, I'm gonna do some, like, what's in my bag, and I'll show you guys later. Hold on. And by the way, I'm here in my room now, chilling, watching some vlogs. Si John nasa baba, and si Jenny nasa kwarto. So, see you later. Sorry it's a mess, but we're gonna do like a small bag raid, or what's in my bag. So this is my bag. It's a green tote, Go Yard. It's a gift from John this Christmas, and I love it. Very nice, very siya. What do you call this? Sobrang spacious niya na ko malalagay. And yeah, I chose green because it's for money. So let's start it. Oh, guess it has this zipper. I have this little Berloloy, a gift from Nadina. It's supposed to be for my cell phone, kaya lang it's too long. It's just cannot use it for now. But so I put it here instead. Here's what inside my bag. A little messy actually. It's a lot of kalat, but I'll show you one by one. So here first, we do have icebreakers. Means syempre kasi sa work, and also kapag hindi ako sasalita, or syempre natutuyuan ka ng laway, we want to prevent having bad breaths. So yeah, I have this comb from Shein. It's a freebie actually, and it has mirror at the back, so sobrang nice niya, hindi siya masakit sa ulo. And yeah, very small lang, so very handy. I have my wallet. I got this from TikTok store. It's cute kasi para siyang Hermes type of wallet, pero yun lang, puro cards lang. You can put some like cash na naka-fold na lang siguro here. But I have all my cards here. My license. My New York State license, and then what else pa? My insurance cards and everything. So cool lang, yun lang siya. Hindi ko nagustuhan dito sa bag na to is wala siyang, what do you call this, like a inner pocket, which is, because it comes with this one. which is fine. It's like a, wait, let me just remove this one. Oh, I have this clipper pala. Every time kasi sa work, if madalas nakahalugay lang ako, pero pag I think na it's getting warmer, kasi tinataasan nila yung heater, so I just put this up. And also if I want to just, you know, mas chillax lang, and I have my clipper. I mean, shock. Yun nga, medyo sira na siya, pero it's still working. It's still fine. And I have this guy, yung sabi ko nga, meron silang ganito. Walang inner pocket, however, it has this one. It's very small. Pocket lang naman, which is fine. Oh, dito pala yung mga, alam mo na, pag tumatanda na, I have this pang inhaler, pag nahihilo, and sorry for my nail polish pala, sorry. And I have this lip balm. Carmex is very helpful, especially this kind of weather. It's very cold, so it has it serves as an analgesic also for, you know, if you have pain already. But yeah, it's good. I only have the classic flavor. Meron kasi siyang iba-ibang flavor din. But yeah, yun lang yung nakalagay dito. And I have this one. Put it here. It's a little heavy because I have coins here for my coin purse. And also, I bought this a nail clipper. Kasi girl, one time when I was at work, it's just so heavy, just so hard na meron akong one time na nasaktan yung kamay ko, as in yung nail ko, so I had to buy one. And yeah, and what's this? Oh, I have this bags of chocolates that I got from Eloise. Because, you know, sa school dito, they're selling like chocolates, and then if they're able to make the points na gusto nila, they can get, or I think through those points, makakuha sila ng gifts. So I bought 10 pieces, $10 worth of chocolates. I only have the milk chocolate and 2 flavors lang actually, but it's a variety of flavors. And I have the almonds, which yun lang yung gusto ko. I put it in the plastic, and I have these in my bag kasi I'm thinking of bringing it to work kasi that's too much here, and si John nagda-diet na. But we'll see. And I have snacks. I have snacks here. Mga pwedeng kainin sa work kapag nagutom. I have crackers, Sky Flakes, and Presto, and of course, thank you for bringing this. Kasi wala dito sa New York, dito. Kahit sa Filipino store, wala. Meron lang yung chocolate na Rebisco. So this is my favorite, ever favorite na. Rebisco sandwich flavor. It's cream sandwich. At ang Rebisco po tayo. Thank you, JP, for bringing this in. Kasi pinabili ko yan sa Lazada sa Philippines. So, yun, pinadeliver sa kanya. And we have this cologne. It's a fragrance something. I bought this in TJ Maxx. It's really good. It's so sweet. Ano lang siya, tama lang. Yun lang, yung mga ganitong type ng fragrance na nababay mo sa TJ Maxx. Hindi siya ganun ka strong, and it won't last like too long. It's not like too long, but it's fine. It's really sweet scent, very nice. And then I have my ID at work, and what else? Oh, I have my AirPods. Tanda na yung AirPods ko. I need to charge it. I think it's low, but not in. And what else? Oh, I have a candy. XO. Ito naman, saan ba ito naman ulit? Somewhere lang din sa online store na Filipino. It's still, XO is really good actually. And what else? Oh, look. I have like some lotto tickets here. I don't know. Oh, it's Jenny's lottery tickets. And also Ate Nadine's ang tawag dito? What is this? Yan. Scratch. Oh my gosh. It's all messed up na. So I need to check it pa pala. Before I forget. I need to check those if they won or not. But I think they won something. I don't know how much. Anyways, I have this little Kikay kit na rin with everything that I need. Isa-isahin pa ba natin? But yeah, it's an alpaca. Alpaca. Yeah. Because I love RJ. And RJ is an alpaca. From the BT21, if you know that. Anyways, I have this, my charger, charging lightning cable. Oh, I have this salamin. It's from Nami Island. From nung pumunta pa ako ng Korea. I got this for myself. And it's so cute actually. So helpful. So since 2018 pa to. So matagal-tagal na rin siya. And it's still here. Buhay pa. And girl, takot ako maubusan ng pens. And I only use this Pilot lang G207 so work. So I bought a lot. I also have this Sharpie in case na kailangan. Oh look, I have more pens. This one is from Northwell Rehab. And another pen. Oh, itong pen na to, nakuha ko to sa hotel ko sa kami gift ni Perolo. Shoot, I forgot the hotel, but yeah, it's a freebie. It's nice. I do have this antibacterial hand spray, like a alcohol from Bath and Body Works, and also this hand cream, Gingham. Actually, maganda tong amoy na to eh. And I do have this one. Ano ba to? It's dental floss actually, sorry. Naghang ako dun for the meantime, sorry. And yeah, yun nga. Dental floss, kasi siyempre, minsan kapag kumakain sa work, may mga tinga-tinga, ang hirap tanggalin, girl. Alam mo yun? Ako lang ba yun? O kayo din? And I don't have time to brush. I mean, I didn't bring any, toothbrush. So buti na yung may dental floss at least. Helpful. And also sa work, meron akong, a mouthwash as well. And this is from Sunny's Face. This is it's a blush. It is on dull yung color. Wait, let me show you guys. See? It's like light pink. It's really good actually. And I have lots of lippies here. Takot akong maubusan ng lipstick. Ay, talaga, ang dami naman nga. 4, girl. Talaga ba? We have 4 here. One is for MAC. And it's in the shade of... I don't know if you can see it. It's Chili 602 Chili. It's really good. It's really just... tamang red lang. Yan. Girl, makikita niyo yung parang tsura ng lips ko. I don't know. Pero, paano naman ako maglagay ng lipstick? Ganun lang din naman. So, I don't know bakit ganito ka-ugly. Anyways, I also have 2 lippies from... Actually, 3 from Sunny's also. I love Sunny's Face kasi nga ang ganda niya. I do have one here. It's baked. It's very nice color as well. And milkshake. Actually, ito yung mas pet ko sa lahat. And I have this Girl Crush. So nice. So actually, yun lang. And ano pa ba? A clipper. I'm very, kasi minsan gusto ko ng half ipit lang. So I have this one. And this one is because of Julia. I always keep it in my bag. Wala lang because it's Julia. I love that. Anyways, yun, it's a mess. But so that's it, guys. So yun yung what is inside my bag, and this bag is very helpful. Sobrang easy to carry. Hindi siya sobrang masakit dito. Hindi siya mabigat kung kahit siya lang na with all the stuff and everything. And it's very spacious, as I said. And ano pa ba? Ganda ng color. I like it so much. And yeah, actually, yun lang yung for today's video. No. Wait, mayroon pa pala. Because I bought like a food. I bought like foods from like pastries actually, or sandwiches sa isang bakery dito sa New New York. It's called Veda Bakery. It's more like a Chinese bakery or Asian bakery. And it's really good actually. It's very cheap pa. Na ang dami naming nabili ni Jenny. I think it's just like worth $40. Pero papakita ko sa inyo, ang dami. So hopefully dyan lang kayo. See you later! So it's here na yung in-order namin ni Jen na Veda Bakery of pastries and sandwiches. So these are the stuff that I bought. This is the corn bun. So masarap niyan. We have tart, egg tart, and roast floss, pork floss bun. We have this what do you call this? Ham sandwich, chicken sandwich, a hot dog sandwich, and also like this Scallion twist, which is really good actually. We have this like parang siopao, pero I bought the one with sausage and just the plain bun. And also they were like selling like ensaymada stuff though. Parang let's see if it's really good. So yes, these are the things that we're gonna eat because we're pretty hungry. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Hi. So we're back and we're gonna try the foods. Yung ibang food, bigay ko na kay John para makain niya. I think, bigay ko sa kanya yung ham sandwich and also yung hotdog sandwich. Kasi yun yung mga gusto na hindi niya yung iba dito. And we're gonna have this drink. It's Tampico. It's really good actually. Nung sige gumagawa siya ng coffee niya. Sarap. Citrus sponge with orange, tangerine, and lemon. It's really good actually. We're gonna start with this one. Again, the place is called Veda Bakery. It has different locations actually here in Queens, so I don't know kung sa ibang places ng NYC near pa. But yun, sa Queens near. It's really good. We have this roast bun floss. And it's really good actually kasi para siyang yung, ewan ko kung naalala niyo yung bread talk. So yun, meron kong, di ba meron bread talk sa Philippines? So yeah, meron ganito sa bread talk. It's really good. Mas masarap siya kung mainit. Ayan. Obviously, kinainit ko yung init. Wow! Init. Isa lang. Siyang init talaga. Sorry na. Ito. Ito siyang, isa siyang plain bun lang naman. Sarap. Ito yung kainin pa to. Pero masarap to guys. Promise. Egg tart. Tingnan ka na. Gusto mo tingnan ko? Ayoko. Gusto mo? Ito yung egg. It's very medyo oily siya or what. Pero flaky siya actually. Sa mga taong may ayaw ng flake. Hindi yung mahilig sa flake. Si Jenny hindi yung mahilig sa mga croissant. But this one's really good actually. Sobrang hindi siya masyadong matamis. Hindi siya masyadong tigas. Diba? Sarap po yun. Ayun natin yan. Actually, sa dami nito, ayoko naman kainin lahat. So, pwedeng baunin sa work naman. This one is really good too. Meron siyang corn with mayo sa may gitna. Then just like, bread. Sobrang sarap. As in, fulfilling na siya. Hindi siya matamis, hindi siya maalat. But sobrang okay na siya. And this scallion twist with sesame eme. Ang haba niya ito, actually, sunod lang ni ate. It'll be like this. Ooh, it's really good, actually. Let me try. Yan yan. Masarap ito lahat. Kung mainit. Pero, suggest ko is, painitin nyo. And this one, siguro babaunin ko to kasi malaki to eh. Okay to. It's a coleslaw, spicy coleslaw with chicken. Chicken ata siya sandwich. But it's really, really good after. Ang laki niya. Ang laki niya, oh. And busog ka na talaga dito, guys. Hindi kayo. Okay na ko eh. Yun nga, nakita ko yung price. Shoot, I throw it away already, the price. Give me one. I'll be back. So, yun na nga. I'm back. So, I was able to get the receipt. Napunay ko lang siya. And yes, sobrang mura lang niya actually. Yung egg tart, it is only $2.45. $2.45. And the corn bun, ito nga, it is only $2.45 as well. Yung steamed plain bun, it is $2.10. Sobrang sulit na actually. And yung steamed sausage, which is this one, it is at $2.85. And what else? Oh, the lettuce ham sandwich na pinakita ko kanina. Yun yung naka-dyan na ngayon. It is at $3.45. Yung hot dog wrap is also $3.45. And yung scallion and pea twist, may pea pala siya, but it is $2.35. And the sandwich nito nga, yung spicy claw chicken sandwich, is $4.40. A little pricey ba? O hindi? It was okay na rin siya, as in sobrang mura na yun. Kasi sobrang busog ka na actually. Dati naalala ko, nung nag-work pa ako dun sa may Elmhurst, meron dong Frida din. And I used to buy like my lunch from that place. And it's really very affordable. Less than $10. Busog na yung lunch mo. Kasi nga, sobrang feeling na to, as in, sobrang okay na. And this one, yung ensaymada, hulaan nyo kung magkano. Hulaan nyo, ang laki na to. Buong face ko to. So, yun. Hulaan nyo kung ilan. 8? Nope. Down. 5? No. It was only $4.95 actually. Pero yun na, almost $5. Not bad. And the good thing dun sa place na to, talagang sulit siya. And yung tax niya, overall, ng binili namin, less than like $2 each kami. So, she has her own stuff na binili, and ako din. So, it was really a good, kasi plus delivery free pa. Okay na, actually. Sobrang okay. So, syempre, hindi naman mandatory. It's just very, very optional for you to give the tips. But dito sa mga delivery, lalo na pag Uber Eats or Grubhub, these are the apps na we use for food deliveries here. And yeah, I only gave them like $2 I think today. It's good, I think. That should be fine. Especially no, yung weather is malamig. So, I think that should be okay. And yeah, I'll just eat everything. No, not everything. Konti lang. But I'll get back to you guys.
Hey guys, I'm back. So, ayusin ko lang tong kwarto namin. I just finished eating. And Sarah din dumating kanina. So, nakipag-chikahan pa kami. Hindi ko lang video kasi syempre, kanya-kanya lang chika-chika. And, I think hopefully tomorrow makikita namin yung sila again with the kids. We don't know kasi tomorrow is birthday in Diego. So, baka invite tayo for dinner and keep you posted. And for now, look at the messy room right now. So, I'm just gonna clean it up while si Jan nasa baba. So, see you later.
we're back and we're done cleaning up my room, the bed actually. And yun, I'm just gonna cut this video na and just chillax. Right now is at 2:15 in the afternoon and I'm just gonna watch some videos from YouTube and then try to edit this one and I'll keep you posted. Bye and thank you for watching. Sana tinapos niyo yung buong video and hope you guys like it. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe and follow me, okay? Bye bye.